morning, guys. It is May 26th. It's 2:30 in the morning. I've been up since 2. Got this big bird that's been driving us crazy, and we hatched a plan to go after him early today. Told Mark yesterday we're either two geniuses or two of the dumbest son of a bees that you ever seen. So daylight official sunup is at 5:30 this morning. Legal shooting light at 5 o'clock. We've had birds gobbling every day by 5 o'clock, so we'll see what happens today. Stay tuned. It's 7:30. We got in here pitch black. I mean, we stumbled our way into the woods here this morning. We got set up just as it started to get light enough to see. I could see we had one bird out in front of us. It lightened up. We ended up with, there's 3 birds in here. No toms, all hens. He's got us all twisted up again. We don't know what we're doing, huh? We gotta say anything.
You got us again.
Yeah.
You got us again.
Yep.
Only a few days left of the season.
We'll try and get him.
That's an LT. Crawling up on a bird. We got one out in front of us. But he's playing hard to get. About 9:30. A little after 9 in the morning. Big Easter. We're trying to bang him out. Stay tuned. I don't know what he's doing. I have no idea. You ever see a 6'5", 300-pound guy crawl like that? All I gotta do is hang out with me. I'll teach him. What do you say, big boy?
Woo! Oh my God.
Woo!
Oh, what was that? 100-yard crawl, baby. Holy. I didn't think I hit him.
Full strut?
Yeah,
Both of them?
Yeah, it popped up.
Who's the man? Boys, you want to know something? The season just came to an end, boys.
Yo, tagged out New York, baby. Yo, it's a good bird too.
What'd you put, about 150-yard crawl on him?
Yo, look at me. I'm covered in crap, man. Honestly, guy, we crawled 100 yards. Belly crawled. I'm shot, bro. This ain't for big boys. All right?
Yo, you throwing the towel in?
I got no choice now. I'm tagged out. Well, guys, we just got it done. Mark and I both tagged out for the season, baby.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did.
So,
You won't believe this one.
yeah, I mean, we set out this morning. We left the house 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
2 o'clock in the morning, and we were set up in the woods by 3:30, 4 o'clock.
3:30.
About, between 3 and 4 o'clock. It took us a while to get in there. It was pitch black. Moon was not working in our favor out here. We're deep in the woods. We knew where they'd been roosting, but we got in there, and just as it started to get light enough to see, we saw some birds in the tree. Thought we had our tom up there that we've been after. He was not. It turned out to be 3 hens, and they all, once they got down and walked off, we got out of there. And Mark said, "Hey, let's get up. Let's go up on top of the mountain and come in from the top." We had some luck like that a couple weeks ago. You know, we got on them, and we weren't in the woods 10 minutes, if that.
10 minutes.
Mark hit a mouth call. We had one rip right over this ledge from us. And just as he ripped, I saw him, and we dropped down, and we tried to pull him up. He wanted to stay down here on this flat. We dropped over this hill, and I'll see if I can show you. Just got in there, and he let out a call, and this bird responded. So he sounded pretty close. We dropped down. We put a belly crawl on for 100 yards, easy 100 yards through some nasty stuff. I finally got, Mark was probably a good 50 yards behind me. And,
I had him go out ahead of me, and I told him go. So he started going. I stayed behind him, calling and throwing leaves like it would sound like a hen.
Yeah, and
Boy, this bird he wouldn't stop.
yeah, they were fired up. It turned out there was 2 toms over here. They were both strutting. They're both pretty fired up. I got in. We got a 30 yards, 20 about a 30-yard shot maybe.
Yeah.
I got it. I finally,
About 3 miles.
yeah, felt like 3 miles. I'll tell you that. I felt like I crawled 3 miles. But we got set up, or I got set up 30 yards from him behind a pine tree. I see the fan through the underbrush, and I just creeped up and I saw the big red head and let it ride. Knocked him down. I didn't even realize at the time that there was another bird in here because only one was gobbling. And after I shot, I saw the other bird standing there, and I thought it was him, and he took off and flew out, and I was pretty upset about it. And once I stood fully up, I could see the other bird over here flapping around. So give you a look at him
And
here.
look at that bird. That's a good bird. It's a good bird. Oh, he's got a long beard. Look at that beard. Look at that beard.
Got about 1 inch, maybe a little less.
Give a smile, buddy. Give a smile.
I tell you what, I could not be happier right now. That's man.
Buddy, let him know about this running and gunning, buddy.
I'm telling you right now.
How old you feel right now? About 29?
Yeah. Yeah. So
Right.
we're gonna call this Killer Ridge up here. 2 weeks ago, we were up here with Mark. We got in underneath a roosted tom. He flew down and walked away from us. We got up, chased him up on this hilltop, and there was 3 of them up here. And we tried our best to get after them, but we just couldn't make it happen. But we connected today. Beautiful day. It is May 26th. It is got to be close to 80 degrees out right now. I don't even know what time it is, Mark. We're at 10 o'clock. Hit that bird probably just before 10 o'clock. You know, I'll say 10 o'clock bird, you know. Just goes to show you, man. You know, you gotta stick with them. Thanks. I'd like to thank my buddy Mark, man. You put me on some nice birds this year, and I'm in debt to you, brother. Appreciate it. Having a grand time. Hey, guess what? Time to go walleye fishing, boys. Boat's out, ready to roll. Might be hitting that tomorrow morning, first thing. Stay tuned.